Hi guys, I'm Lucas and I'm content creator based in Dubai. In today's episode, we'll do unboxing of new iPad Pro with M1 chip, 11 inches and pencil. But this is not the Apple pencil, it's some smart pencil. I don't know, I just also saw this pencil first time. It was 200 dirham, so it's like 60 US dollars. Comparing to the original is 500 dirham, which is almost 170 US dollars. So they said it's exactly the same, it's just not the original one. So for the first time, because it's the first time when I will use actually the iPad for graphic design, let's see how it will go. So I just want to try this pencil. Anyway, where's my knife? 1 second. Alrighty, I don't need knife even. So you can see from the camera on the top, by the way, I'm recording with my iPhone 12 Pro there on the top, and there is my Sony A7 III. Okay. What do we have inside? iPad, of course, but we'll come back to him in a minute. What do we have here? Just some unnecessary stuff. Do we have stickers? Yes, we have 2 stickers. All right, fine, fair enough. I never use them. We have a charger. With USB-C, no, USB-C, how you call this? Is the new one USB? Is the fast charge cube, so good, I can use also for my iPhone. And we have a cable, fast lightning, how you call this? I forgot, anyway. Polly, go to your bed. My dog is all the time wanna go out and it's like 50 degrees outside. You crazy dog. Let's open it. Nice, it's very light. It's pretty, I have to say. I took the gray one because my iPhone is also gray, as far as I remember. Yes, it's gray. Okay, let's try turn on. How to turn on? Here. So I didn't buy the iPad in App Store, in Apple Shop. I bought it in Sharaf DG. It's the shop here in Dubai, and I bought extra insurance for 550 dirham, which is 150, almost 200. It's $200, almost $200, $170. And if I destroy this iPad twice in the next 2 years, they will fix it for free, or they will replace the whole iPad, which is cool. It's cost me like really $170. And I can destroy this iPad or whatever. I don't have to care that much, such cases, races, whatever, like, you know, it's not that necessary. Well, of course I will buy. I just ordered from Amazon the original case. It's like 250 dirhams or something like that, so that will be $70. Something around that. And yeah, that's very convenient. So if you are in Dubai or you're planning to visit Dubai, I really recommend you to visit Sharaf DG shop and check the stuff what they have. because they have really cool offers. I paid for this iPad 3,200 dirham, which is 700, I think, $99. This is normal Wi-Fi iPad 11-inch Pro with 128 gigabytes of memory. Because why I didn't buy the bigger memory capacity when I have my iPhone 12 Pro with 512 gigabytes? Because I bought this iPad just to kind of test it out, because I want to download Adobe Illustrator on the iPad, and I just want to start drawing stuff. So that's why I also took the pencil, which one will come back in a second. So I want to test it out, and I think it's more than enough, 128 gigabytes for wherever I will need it. I hope so. If not, I will sell it and I will buy the bigger capacity. But if my computer, the main MacBook Pro, is just for editing videos, and I have there 500 gigs, I think, and to be honest, I never had the problem. I had full. I never had that problem, because rest of it, what I use, like pictures, documents, everything is on my phone or in the cloud. So if I will use this one just for design or editing photos, I think it's fair enough. And I don't know, I will let you know soon, guys. But yeah, pencil. Pencil, I can use my knife. 1, 2. Yeah, I think it's exactly the same as an Apple Pen. And we attach him here. Where? Yeah, fit perfectly. Yeah. I will not turn on and download all the applications right now. Today we do just unboxing of the iPad 11 Pro with M1 chip. So yeah, I think that's it. As I said, in the box we have a cable, we have a charger, we have an iPad, and we have 2 stickers. So that's it for today. Soon I will record the first video how I use the iPad, how is the editing in Lightroom, how the Illustrator it worked there. So my first thoughts, my first feelings, whatever. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel if you like my content, and hit the thumb up. Type some comments if you want me to record some tutorials how I edit, or how to record videos with iPhone, with normal camera, or if, for example, iPhone 12 Pro is more than enough to start your journey with videography. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next episode.